Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying that you legally own the PC or have written permission to work on it. Gather any proof of ownership and search for a stored password reset disk, recovery CD, or original installation media. These are the proper recovery paths. Once done, record hardware specifics like model and serial, because reinstalling or seeking professional service often requires that information. Make sure you understand that bypassing passwords without authorization is unlawful. Proceed only with legitimate, documented authority. You should pursue official recovery first. Use a password reset disk or the original recovery media to restore access, because these preserve data and follow supported procedures. If you lack recovery media, plan a clean reinstall from your original Windows XP disks or OEM restore partition. This ensures a lawful reset but will remove existing user data. Once you decide, back up any accessible files. If the drive is encrypted or locked, do not attempt risky tools yourself. Instead, remove the drive and hand it to a professional data recovery service. To finish, reinstall Windows XP or complete the official recovery. Then immediately install security updates, create a password reset disk, and set up a secondary administrator account for future access. If you find missing files or the reinstall fails, stop and consult a certified technician or authorized service center. They can recover data or verify ownership without violating laws. One key troubleshooting tip: always present proof of ownership when professional services intervene, since that prevents refusals and potential legal trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.